Hi! Wondering how to bookmark an expert profile, an organization profile, or a scientific work on the Expernova platform? Well, you are in the right place. Let's switch to the Expernova platform. With Expernova, you can bookmark an expert profile, an organization profile, or a scientific work of interest for later retrieval. It is a great way to quickly navigate back to the profiles or document of interest. Today, we will see how to create expert, organization, or scientific document bookmarks, how to access your bookmarks, how to organize your bookmarks from a private or a share folder, and finally, how to add a comment to your bookmark. Please note that it is possible to bookmark an item from any search mode. Each time you will see the bookmark icon, it means that you can bookmark the item displayed in the search results interface. So let's start by the first step and discover how to bookmark an organization profile. The experts and organization profile are available on the search result interface. To access it, you need to run a query. To do so, click Overview and enter your query. Then you can click on the search button. In the search results, the Novartis company profile is displayed. To bookmark it, click Novartis to display its profile on the right. Then click the bookmark icon that is available from the preview mode or from the full profile. A menu is displayed. Click Add to bookmark it. The bookmark icon becomes yellow and a friendly message is displayed at the bottom of the page to inform you that the bookmark has been created. To retrieve all your bookmark items, click the bookmark button in the navigation menu on your left. You can see your new bookmark at the end of the list. You can also organize your bookmarks into folders. Let's take the example with the Roche profile. You can organize your bookmark in an existing folder, or you can create a new folder. To do so, click the bookmark icon and then click an existing folder to create it in a folder that you have previously created, or to create a new folder, click New Folder to create the folder into which you will save your bookmarks. The Add to New Bookmark Folder window is displayed. Enter the name of the folder in the name field and enter a description if needs be. If you want to create a private folder, click OK. If you want to create a shared folder, click Share with People from your organization in the Share with People feature and check the person names with whom you want to share the folder. Then you can assign a read-only or an edit permission. Read-only is if you don't want the other user to edit the folder content. Edit is if you want the other users to be able to edit the folder content, that is to say, to add or delete some items into the folder. Click OK to validate the folder and bookmark creation. There is another way to create a folder that is available from the bookmark button in the navigation menu on your left. Click on it and you will see a folder icon on the top right corner. Click on it and the Add a New Bookmark Folder window is displayed, and you can enter the name of the folder in the name field and also a description, so you can fill in the information just as we previously did. Bookmarks options such as Move, Copy, Delete a Bookmark are available by clicking on the three dots button on the right side of the bookmark. Once you have created a share folder, Expernova allows you to add comments to the bookmark. This is useful when you share a folder with other users and you want to discuss about the bookmark. To comment on a bookmark, click the comment icon. A window is displayed and you can enter some free text. Click Comment to validate your comment. The comment icon becomes yellow and it allows the other user to access your comment. Each user can add a comment and it takes the form of a discussion. Once a comment has been added by a user with whom you share a folder, a notification is sent via the notification icon. I show you how to bookmark an organization profile. Please note that bookmarking an expert profile or a document works exactly the same way. We saw how you can save time by bookmarking your favorite profile or document. Thanks for watching. Watch more tutorials on expernova.com and follow us on social networks.